Learn how to stop a heart attack in 1 minute. Please, leave us a comment after this video. Many people don't know that cayenne pepper can prevent heart attack in a minute. Make sure you always have it on hand, in case someone from your closest family members needs it. Dr. Christopher, an American herbalist, has never lost a patient to a heart attack in his 35-year career. He gives a cup of cayenne pepper tea, a teaspoon to a cup of water, to patients who are still conscious. After a minute, they are all alive and safe. Scientists based this theory on their own personal experience and not on studies done in controlled conditions. Cayenne pepper has at least 90,000 Scoville units, according to the Scoville Heat Units, SHU. This also includes habanero, Tai Chi, African bird, jalapeno, Jamaican hot pepper, and Scotch bonnet. A combination of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a glass of water can be given to patients who have had a heart attack, but are still conscious and breathing. If the person is unconscious, put a few drops of cayenne pepper extract under the patient's tongue. Cayenne pepper increases the heart rate and carries blood to all parts of the body, thus balancing circulation. It has hemostatic effect, stops bleeding, and helps in heart recovery. The following tincture is considered to be the best remedy for emergency cases of heart attacks. Just remember to use cayenne pepper and not hot pepper. Chili is a bushy tropical plant and 20 times stronger than regular pepper, because it contains much more capsaicin, a pepper alkaloid. Its heat is inversely proportional to its size, so the tiniest peppers are usually the hottest. Always choose this kind. Ingredients: cayenne pepper powder, a few fresh cayenne peppers, 50% alcohol, you can use vodka, glass bottle, 1 liter, and gloves. Preparation: 1. Put your gloves on because cayenne peppers are pretty hot. 2. Fill a quarter of the glass bottle with cayenne pepper powder and put enough alcohol to cover the powder. If possible, do this on the first day of a new moon. 3. Blend a few fresh cayenne peppers, and add enough alcohol so it gets a sauce-like texture. 4. Add the mixture to the bottle, which should now be 3/4 full. 5. Fill the bottle to the top with alcohol and close it well. Shake it several times during the day. 6. Leave the tincture until the next new moon, after 28 to 29 days, and strain it using a gauze. Keep it in a dark bottle. 7. If you want to have a very strong tincture, strain it after 3 months. 8. Close the bottle and store it in a dry and dark place. It doesn't spoil, so you can use it as long as you want. Dosage: 5 to 10 drops of the tincture to a conscious patient who has suffered a heart attack or a stroke. Add another 5-10 drops in 5 minutes. Repeat the treatment until the patient's condition improves. If the patient is unconscious, put 1-3 drops under the tongue, and start a CPR. Repeat the treatment every 5 minutes until the patient's condition improves. Health benefits: cayenne pepper has antifungal properties which prevent the occurrence of phimopsis and cultotrichum. It has a beneficial effect on the digestive system. It stimulates the production of gastric juices, and relieves gases. It has anti-cancer properties, especially for lung cancer in smokers. The capsaicin in cayenne pepper is known to prevent the development of tumors caused by tobacco, and similar results are noticed in patients diagnosed with liver cancer. It helps in the treatment of stomach problems, migraines, flu symptoms, allergies, obesity, redness, toothache and arthritis. Cayenne pepper has 26 different nutrients, like calcium, zinc, selenium, magnesium, vitamin C and A. Make sure to always have the tincture on hand, because cayenne pepper is one of the strongest natural spices that can do miracles for the heart. If you have a question, please, leave us a comment and we will try to answer you as soon as possible. Share this video and subscribe to our channel. Visit us on Great Liffey and more.